maybe the thought to leave everybody with is that, you know, out of these crises like COVID, they force innovation. They force us to think in new ways, in new paradigms. And so, as hard as COVID has been, maybe the parting thought here is let's, with something we've been thinking a lot about, which is how do we, what do we learn from this? How do we adapt to this? And how does this create new ways to think about the future in ways that create win-wins out of, you know, tug of wars and scenarios which have been sort of either or in the past. So let's not waste the crisis, I guess. I think somebody else probably said that more eloquently. I forget the quote exactly, but COVID's been challenging. It's forced many people to adapt and adjust. We've learned a lot from it. Let's make sure we take these lessons and make them part of our future so that we can ultimately come out stronger than we were before.